Hello friends, welcome back to our new channel. Today we are diving into a powerful tool that will take your presentations to the next level. That's right, I am talking about Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just someone looking to enhance your skill, PowerPoint is a game changer. It allows us to create dynamic, engaging, and visually stunning presentation that captivate your audience and leaving a lasting impression. On this channel, we are all about mastering PowerPoint and unleashing its full potential. We will be your guides as we explore the various features, tips, and tricks that will transform your presentation from average to extraordinary. So, what can you expect from our PowerPoint journey together? Well, buckle up because we have an exciting lineup of content just for you. First and foremost, we will start with the basics. We will walk you through the interface, familiarize you with the different tools, menus, and show you how to navigate effortlessly within PowerPoint. Even if you are a complete beginner, don't worry, we have got you covered. Once we have the foundation laid, we will dive into the art of slide design. We will explore the principle of visual aesthetics, color theory, typography to create visually appealing slides that reinforce your message, resonate with your audience. We will also share templates and designs hacks to save you time and make your presentation stand out from the crowd. But wait, that's more. We will also cover advanced feature and functionalities that will elevate your presentation to a whole new level, from animation and transition that add a touch of professionalism to multimedia integration such as videos, images, and audio. We will show you how to bring your content to life and keep your audience engaged throughout. Furthermore, we will explore the collaborative aspects of PowerPoints. We will demonstrate how to effectively work in teams, share presentation, and incorporate feedback seamlessly. PowerPoint is just a solo endeavor. After all, it's a tool that helps you communicate and collaborate effectively with others. And here is the best part. We will be right here with you every step of the way. We encourage you to engage with us, ask questions, and share your own tips and experience in the comment sections below. Let's build a community of PowerPoint enthusiasts who support and inspire each other to create outstanding presentation. So, if you are ready to unleash your creativity and master the art of PowerPoint, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell